about the word guessing game. Here we go. The idea here is similar to a game called Hangman. You're going to guess a word here by guessing the letters in the word. And if you guess right, the letters are shown to you. And if you don't, they're not. So for instance, I'm going to guess the letter A, and there's an A. And the green circle around the A down here indicates that I have guessed an A. I will guess an E, and there's an E, green circle. I, there's an I, O, U. Notice when I'm wrong, these circles down here, which are over the letters that I guessed, are pink instead of green, indicating that I guessed wrong. Down here, it's also counting the total number of guesses, which is now at 5. I'll guess D, E, F, G, H. Okay, so now you can see already that it could take a while to correctly guess the word. For debugging purposes, and you do have to implement this, if I click the mouse, it'll simply show me the word. I click the mouse, there's the word. I'll click the mouse again, the word's gone. Mouse, 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 mouse. So it takes the fun out of the game, but it makes it debuggable. Okay, the word is certain. If I guess a C, if I guess a C again, it'll count, watch down here at the guesses. See, it counted as another guess. And it says you already guessed C, guess again. If I guess D, you already guessed D, guess it again, and the guesses increase. I guess R says good job, keep guessing. So down here we see this message down here changes based upon the last letter that I typed. There's a hint, there's a lot of hints in the write-up, one of which is you'll probably want to have something stored in like app.message, which is the string that you're displaying down here. Okay. The timer, by the way, is updating, counting seconds. You're going to want to use timer fired for that. And time.time, see the write-up for details. And here's your guesses, and you'll keep something like an app.guessCount or something for this. Okay. I'll guess a T, there it is. And I guess an N, and I got it. Down here says you got it. Press the mouse to restart. And here is a green box that's around our answer, the word that's now fully displayed. To draw this, you want to draw the green box first because the way tkinter works, as most graphics work, whatever you draw is drawn on top of whatever is drawn already. So draw the box first, the rectangle first, and then the word. Okay, now as I hit, this is important, as I hit keys, nothing's happening. Don't allow the user to keep hitting keys after they guess the word right. So you ignore key presses. Then when I press the mouse, it starts over with a brand new word. Pretty cool. Okay? And I guess a letter, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Wow, that's a Q, R, S. Oh, it looks like I might know the word now. Okay? And front, and there it is. Okay? So down here, the letters have to be in 2 rows, 13 letters per row. Okay? This line is a quarter of the way down. This line is halfway down. This line is 3/4 of the way down. So you should lay it out accordingly. This is like a 28 or 30 point font up here. A little smaller font down here. Even smaller font here, and it's not bold here. So you're gonna have to make your graphics match pretty closely, but not identically. If you're off by a few pixels, that's okay, but it should be darn close. All right, so then here as I resize, well, you can't really see, there we go. You can see here, it's resizing essentially properly. The reason the word's going on and off is because it's also reading my mouse click, which shows and hides. When you resize your window, you're going to have to have it basically still look good on resizing. Okay, I believe that that's most everything. I'll say this also. If I hit the enter key, for example, it says enter is not a letter. Just like if I hit, say, like the ampersand key, ampersand is not a letter. Well, when you hit certain keys like enter or up, down, left, right, the name of the key is actually not just a single character like A or B. It's an entire word like up or down. So you should make sure in your code that that doesn't mess your code up, that you handle that appropriately. That's everything you need to know, I think, at the highest level. The write-up, again, contains a lot of hints that you're going to want. So I'd strongly encourage you to read the write-up very carefully. Also, you should probably do some smaller apps first to practice warming up for this, as you'll do in the lab and as are suggested in the extra practice problems. That's it. Good luck. Have fun out there.